Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Weight Watchers subscription online, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly terminated and no further charges occur. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Weight Watchers website at weightwatchers.com. Log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner of the page and select Settings or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Subscription or My Plan section, where you can view details about your current membership, payment method, and renewal date. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Cancel Membership or End Subscription button. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Weight Watchers may present you with retention offers or ask for feedback. You can either provide a reason for canceling or skip this step if it's optional. Step 6. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Yes, Cancel or Confirm Cancellation when prompted. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Step 7. Check your email for a confirmation message from Weight Watchers verifying that your subscription has been canceled. Save this email for your records. Step 8. Log back into your account after the billing period ends to verify that your subscription status shows as canceled or inactive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.